Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things tech. Have you ever encountered a problem with your computer and didn't know where to start troubleshooting? That's where Safe Mode comes in. Today, we're going to dive deep into what Safe Mode is, when you should use it, and how to use it effectively. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Safe Mode? Safe Mode is a diagnostic mode in Windows that starts your computer with a minimal set of drivers and services. Essentially, it allows your computer to boot up using only the most basic functions needed to run. This is incredibly useful for troubleshooting issues because it strips down the system to its essentials, making it easier to identify and fix problems. In Safe Mode, your screen resolution might be lower, and some of your peripherals might not work, but that's by design. It's all about creating a controlled environment to help you pinpoint the root cause of any issues you're experiencing. When to use Safe Mode. So, when should you use Safe Mode? Here are some common scenarios. Scenario 1. System crashes. If your computer keeps crashing or freezing, Safe Mode can help you determine if the issue is related to your system's default settings and basic drivers, or if it's caused by something more complex. Scenario 2. Malware and viruses. If you suspect that your system is infected with malware or a virus, Safe Mode can prevent these malicious programs from running, making it easier to remove them using your antivirus software. Scenario 3. Driver issues. Sometimes, a new driver or software installation can cause problems. Booting into Safe Mode allows you to uninstall or roll back these drivers without interference. Scenario 4. Blue screen of death, BSOD. If you're dealing with the dreaded blue screen of death, Safe Mode can help you troubleshoot and fix the underlying issues causing these crashes. How to boot into Safe Mode. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to actually boot into Safe Mode. There are several methods to do this, depending on your situation. Method 1. Using the Settings menu. All right, let's get started with booting into Safe Mode using the Settings menu. Follow along with these steps, and I promise it's easier than it sounds. First things first, click on the Start menu and select Settings. It's that little gear icon. You can't miss it. Once you're in the Settings window, you'll want to click on Update and Security. This is where all the magic happens. Now, in the Update and Security section, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Recovery. Next up, under the Advanced Startup section, you'll see a button that says Restart Now. Go ahead and click that. Your computer will restart and bring up a menu with some options. Once your computer restarts, you'll be greeted with a menu. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. Finally, click Restart one more time. After your computer restarts again, you'll see a list of options. Here's where you choose how you want to boot into Safe Mode. Press F4 for regular Safe Mode, F5 if you need Safe Mode with networking, or F6 for Safe Mode with command prompt. And there you go. You're now in Safe Mode and ready to troubleshoot whatever issues you've been having. Easy, right? If you can't access the Settings menu, don't worry. Here are some alternative methods. Method 2, using the power button. If your computer is completely unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown. Then, press the power button again to turn it back on. Repeat this process 2 more times until you see the Preparing Automatic Repair screen. Once you see the Preparing Automatic Repair screen, let your computer complete the process. Click Advanced Options when prompted, then follow the same steps as in Method 1 to navigate to Safe Mode. Method 3. Using System Configuration, msconfig. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type msconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab and check the Safe Boot option. Select Minimal for Standard Safe Mode or Network for Safe Mode with networking. Click OK and restart your computer. Troubleshooting in Safe Mode. Once you're in Safe Mode, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix issues. Open your antivirus software and run a full system scan to check for malware or viruses. Safe mode prevents many malicious programs from running, making it easier to detect and remove them. Open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting Device Manager. Look for any devices with a yellow exclamation mark, indicating a driver issue. Right-click the device and select Update Driver or Uninstall Device if necessary. If you recently installed new software that might be causing issues, go to Control Panel and Programs and Features, and uninstall the problematic software. If you have System Restore enabled, you can revert your computer to a previous state before the issues started. Go to Control Panel, System and Security, System Protection, and click System Restore. Exiting Safe Mode. Once you've finished troubleshooting, you'll want to exit Safe Mode and return to Normal Mode. Here's how. Press Windows plus R, type emsconfig, and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab and uncheck the Safe Boot option. Click OK and restart your computer. And that's it. Your computer will restart in normal mode, and hopefully, the issues you were experiencing will be resolved. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on Safe Mode. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel confident about when and how to use Safe Mode to troubleshoot your computer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay notified of our latest uploads. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and solving those tech challenges.